Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to episode number 6 of my 2024 Tacoma TRD Offroad build. If you guys follow us on Instagram, then you probably know that I did install this bumper a couple months ago. I just haven't had a chance to edit the video for YouTube as I am here. Addictive Desert Designs is always my go-to company for armor. I run them on all of the Tundras that I've had, all the diesel trucks that I've had, all the Jeeps that we do, and now our 4th generation Tacoma TRD Offroad. Their quality and fitment is always on point, and second to none when it comes to great customer service. We're installing the stealth front bumper with skid plate. They attach together seamlessly and are extremely functional and look awesome. I'm also installing a Warn VR Evo 10S winch with synthetic rope. ADD recommends a Baja Design S8 light bar to fit in here, but I wanted to go bigger, so I'm customizing to fit an Onyx 6 light bar in here. In addition to that, to help with recovery, I'm actually installing a Factor55 Fairlead and Ultrahook. I'm also installing the rope guard on there as well. As you can see, we are an authorized and stocking dealer for ADD Offroad. We know that you guys hate to wait for parts, so that's the reason why we have these on the shelf. So what else do you guys want to see 88 Rotors stock? We have a ton of stuff already, but drop a comment down below and let us know. We have 2 full warehouses full of stock, but we can always expand and stock more stuff that you want. If you're not familiar with us, we're a small shop out here in the city of Baldwin Park trying to do big things. We don't specialize in Toyotas, but for some reason, we sure do attract a lot of them. We do work on all cars and trucks. 88 Rotors is located in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. We've already taken off the front end and are about to cut off the center portion of the factory front bumper. While we have the front bumper off, we're installing the fog light kit from Baja Designs. ADD states that the Baja Design S8 light bar fits in here perfectly, but I wanted to fit the Onyx 6 in here. So we had to do some customizing of the bar and the bumper to fit it in here, and boy am I glad I did that. As you can see, the center portion has already been cut out, but our tech is now cleaning up the edges. Please don't ask me why our techs sometimes prefer to do this on the floor than using our bumper stands. Doesn't matter to me, as long as it gets done right and the bumper is protected from getting scratches. Of course, that's our #1 priority, whether it's my own personal truck or a customer's. The cut is all good now and we're very happy with it. We're gonna mount up the winch next. The ADD Stealth bumper comes with a 2-stage hammer black powder coat and a satin black powder coat panel finish. It adds durability and new recovery options with dual clevis D-ring mounts for your off-road adventures. We have these in stock and ready to rock, so if you want it for your 4th generation Tacoma, reach out to us anytime. I want to send a quick shout out to our buddies over at Durabumps for providing us with these bump stops for added protection. Durabumps were way ahead of the game and had these in production right when the truck was released. Kudos to them for an awesome product and making them available so fast. That was a quick journey, huh? Picked the truck up about 5 months ago, and guess what? It is now for sale. I'm moving on to the next project. I'm pretty excited to show you guys what it is. What do you guys think it's gonna be? Drop a comment down below and let me know your guess. Here's an underground 4th gen that we just installed a Westcott Design setup on here with 285 75/17 tires. Next up we have this silver 4th gen Taco that's in for a king suspension setup. We're also going to be doing a DDD bumper on this one. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Our techs are jumping right in to remove the factory suspension components to install the new King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks on here. If you're looking for a king setup for your 4th gen toggle, don't forget, we do have pallets and pallets of these in stock and ready to rock. If you're local and want the setup, reach out to us anytime. If you're not from around here and want us set shipped to you, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have these in stock and ship same or next business day. We paired up the front end with some Camberg Kinetic billet uniball upper control arms. Suspension setup is now complete. Vehicle's out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. As mentioned earlier, he's gonna come back another day to get the ADD bumper installed. So we'll show you that in a bit. If you like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Offroad. We publish videos on there daily. We'll get back to this Tacoma in a bit. For now, let's check out this 3rd gen. Here's a TRD Offroad 4x4 that we just installed a Bilstein 5100 setup on here with Old Man Emu lift springs, SPC upper control arms, Deaver out of leaf system, Method MR 703s in a machine finish, and 285 70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W tires. If you're looking for a lift kit, wheels, tires, any other overlanding or off-roading accessory, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have a ton of parts for all trucks, including the Tacoma that you may have. We are not drop shippers, so we have everything that you want in stock. We ship same or next business day. This third gen taco is now complete, so we're bringing it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Next up, we have another third generation magnetic gray metallic Tacoma TRD Offroad 4x4. This one's going with the same suspension lift setup. It's the Bilstein 5100 shocks for both front and rear, Old Man Emu front lift springs, and we're doing the SPC ball joint upper control arms up front. For the rear lift, we're gaining about 1.5 inches of lift with a Deaver out-of-leaf system. Let's get back to the 4th gen silver Tacoma. He's back today to install the ADD Offroad bumper with skid plate. But here's my Tacoma once again. It's up for sale at the Car Connect Auto Group in the city of Baldwin Park. With about $30,000 worth of parts installed on this vehicle, it's going to be a heck of a deal if you're in the market for a 4th gen Tacoma. And back over to the silver 4th gen Tacoma. We've taken off the front factory bumper and are now cutting out the center portion for the ADD bumper. Here we have it. The ADD Stealth bumper has been installed with the integrated skid plate. We also did the Baja Design SAE Amber fog light kit on here, along with the Onyx 6 light bar that we customized to fit. We also did a Warn VR Evo 10S winch on here, and Factor55 Fairlead and Ultrahook. If you're looking for this bumper for your 4th generation Tacoma, we do have them available in stock. We also ship them anywhere nationwide. And if you want us to install it, sure, give us a call or send us a message. We'll get you scheduled in with an appointment and make sure we give you the best service possible. And this right here is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you very much for joining us, guys. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.